Heck yeah. Sweet. ACRs. Not a bottle brush. Looks like this thing's been dropped. It's a little cattywonky. Hopefully ain't got no juice in it. Yeah. The Corona. What a beautiful day to be outside and be on the water. There's another rooftop AC. Cool. Okay, we're back on it. This house is where we got the monster basketball goal. The aluminum floating dock that paid so much. So now we're here to pick up this old fence and whatever else scraggly scraps he's got for me. Cool. Okay, we're loaded. I'm not going on no major highways. I don't need to secure that. I'm not gonna lose it. This right here is a power plug-in snake. So we'll take the motor off, the cord off, and then shred it, scrap it. Hey, Silver Scorpion / Scrapping Scorpion. What were you saying about one of these hitches you just got? I just got one for free. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's a beauty. That's resale. Ollie action. Alright, I've told about a hot water heater. I didn't see it this morning, so I presumed it was gone. I just didn't look hard enough. So let's get it. A water heater, for those that don't understand what we call a hot water heater. It's pretty much stripped. Oh, there's a little bit of brass. Cool. Got to drain away our profits. It's a little too heavy to pick up. Oh well. Yeah, so about probably that much of it's full of sediment. We flipped it over, got hung up in the fence. So I used to come along to pull it, and it started ripping through because the front was grabbing. Put it up on the side rail, spun it around. We're secure. Let's go find some more. Hawk ain't down with that. Oh, gone. Well pump. Cast iron and electric motor. Look at that car, TC. Sweet. Split bumper. Stopped at another house, inquired about some appliances. They said they needed them, but they took down my phone number and they said they'd give me a call. So boom, we got this metal shed. It's pretty slow for a Wednesday. Hump day is not a good day for scrap. So let's get it loaded and go to the yard. We're done. It's secure. It is not going nowhere. You knows, bro. Is it metal? Is it metal? It's got glass in it. My scrapyard don't like glass. What's this? Aquarium. Ugh. Yeah, nothing. Away, what it pay? Light iron, 660 pounds. And yep, here's the effects of the price drop. 8 cents a pound, $52. Well, 53, round up. $8.08 is still better than, I mean, when I first started, it was a penny a pound. Yay. So anyways, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you can, share me out. And if you don't mind, subscribe to the channel. It's free. All right, have a good day and God bless. Take care. Be safe.